Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram draw option not showing problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first open your Play Store app. Search Instagram and update Instagram. Now tap on update. Okay, back on home screen. Now long tap on Instagram app. Tap on app info. Tap on storage and cache. Now clear cache or clear storage. Now open Instagram app. Now tap on message icon. Now tap on plus icon and finally draw option showing on. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe